to set up and use the Grammarly for Android device. So if you want to do that, you have to watch. So if you want to do that, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, you have to download the Grammarly from the Google Play Store. Navigate to your Google Play Store and search for the Grammarly here. Once you have searched for the Grammarly, here you have to install this on your device and wait for the installation has been successfully completed. So if you have already installed this app, look for the update available here. After that, here you have to tap on the open option. Open your Grammarly app here. After opening your Grammarly app, you will see the sign in or create account option. You can just go for the get started option, go for the agree terms and policy, and open up your setting here. And after that, you have to scroll down and go for the Grammarly and just go for the allow here. And just go for the agree. And here you have to just go for this and use your Grammarly. And go for the OK option. So here you have to follow these on-screen instructions like this. And you can sign in or sign up to your account. So if you have already been on your Grammarly app, you can just go for the sign in option. So if you don't have an account, just go for the I don't have an account and you can sign up with your Google account, Facebook account here. And just tap on your profile, go for the continue option. And after that, here you will be successfully logged in with your Gmail account. And you can start a new document or paste the text here. You can see that. And after that, you can try it out. So you can also upgrade your Grammarly Premium for advanced feature. But for today, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.